we've had lots of fun today because we went to our cousin's house and it's Saturday. We love Saturday. Joy. I am here with my cousin Libby. Hi.
So what are you doing tonight then, girls?
I don't know. We're probably just gonna chill and ask some questions, like answer some questions.
Somebody at the door. Who could it be? Who could it be? Who could it be?
Amazon box.
Oh, mystery surprise. Wow. Well, where's it from?
Amazon.
Okay. I wonder what it's gonna be.
Yeah.
Rip it open. Go. Rip. What you got?
Squishy.
Whoa, show me. Let's have a look. Your hand chart. Let's have a look. Whoa, squishy surprise.
There's toast.
Oh, we got toast. What else you got?
And a panda.
Cool.
Comment down below what country you think this toast is from.
Let's have a look. Stay still. So what country is the squishy toast from? Cool. What else is in there?
We've got a little owl.
Oh, cute.
Let's see if it's slow rising.
I bet you love that one, don't you?
Yes, it's my favourite animal. And it's very slow rising.
Why don't you get them to comment down below and tell us what your favourite animal is? Comment down below.
And then cake.
Cake. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Have a look.
Yum, yum, yummy.
Oh, cool. You got that?
And a little monster.
Oh, super
Very
cool.
slow rising.
Very slow rising.
And we got some more toast. This
Super
time with
cool.
a little face. We got some more toast.
Oh, it's got sprinkles and chocolate
Nutella.
sauce. Cool. What's that one?
It's like a little donut with gateas and vanilla and chocolate icing.
Very cool.
There's an egg.
Oh, an egg.
Comment down below what country you think this egg is from, because it's not a normal egg.
Weird egg. Show us the egg.
Egg.
Oh, that is weird.
Then we got like a little pancake.
Let's have a look.
And a little dolphin. Very nice.
Weird.
And then little dolphin.
Oh, dolphin squishy.
Yeah, but it feels a bit sticky. What else is in here? We've got a little croissant. Got a little croissant. A
Cool.
winter croissant, because it's winter.
Oh.
Then we got another panda. It's a green one, and it's got a nice cute face.
Oh. Are they all slow rising or?
Some of them are. Some of them are a bit faster than others. So this monster is very slow rising.
So how many's in there? How many squishes?
14.
14 squishes.
And then we've got this little croissant. Little green croissant.
Very cool.
And a little croissant. This is more like a croissant. That one's different shaped croissant. We've got loads of little hangers
What are they for?
for the squishes that have little clips. Basically all of them have clips. So we're going to clip them all on.
Okay, so you might as well do something fun with these.
Maybe.
So what you could do, like a guess the squishy game.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
In the box and
we'll get stuff sorted and then we'll be back. So see you in a minute.
see you in a minute. Bye.
Right, so you're going to put your blindfold on and you're going to take one out without cheating.
I can't cheat. I can barely.
Guess which one you have by squishing it.
It's in the shape of a love heart. So I'm guessing pancake.
Right. Take your blindfold off.
Yeah, pancake.
Right, next round. Ready? Blindfold on.
This is the second round.
Yep. Right, which one do you think you have?
I'm gonna say it's definitely something that has. Okay, I'm gonna go with bread.
Okay, take your blindfold off.
Nearly got it.
Yeah, it was cake. Right, next round.
Owl.
Yes.
That was easy. Because it had no keychain. And it was really slow rising.
Right, next round. Ready?
Egg.
Yes.
Dolphin.
Yes.
Ooh, this one's hard. I feel like saying egg, but it's not egg. Is it penguin?
No.
Bye bye. Panda.
Which one?
Medium size.
Yes.
Bye panda. And is this toast?
Yes.
Big panda.
Yes.
Cheating.
Hey?
I'm glad you said that you're cheating. Cheetah.
Cheetah, 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 cheetah.
You're not even denying it, look, you're definitely cheating.
Toast.
Nope.
You said it wrong on purpose then. Cheating. Are you blindfold down?
Blindfold down. See? Cheat.
What blindfold was already doing?
But you could see at the bottom.
Okay. Bagel.
Nope. It was a cake.
It's not that hard. Donut.
Nope. It was the cat donuts. You nearly got it.
Bye. Monster.
Yes.
Ow.
All done.
And
So,
this
how
is
many did you get right?
I had no idea.
I think you got 4 wrong.
Yes.
And there was 14 of them, so...
You got 10 right.
So,
Try. Then it's fine. Let's see if Libby can do it without.
Let's see if Libby can do it. Then this time, so there's no cheating. This one's The other weird colour.
I think it's the Christmas bagel.
No. It was.
Oh, it was the egg. Next.
Really? Here you go.
Is it a cake?
Yeah. Chicken. Chicken. Hey. The next one's going to be this one. This one has some sprinkles on.
Oh, it's the bread.
Yeah. Ooh, this one's really cool.
This one is the cat donut.
Yeah.
And this one is the green cake with icing.
What colour is it?
Yellow.
Yeah. I gave it 2 to try and trick her. I gave her 1 and then I tried to take it back to give her the other, but I slided it under.
Yeah, it's because I felt the different shapes. Right, next.
Oh, this one's a nice.
It's the medium-sized panda.
Are you serious?
You ready?
Mm-hmm. There you go.
This one pancake.
Yeah.
And this one is the Christmas bagel.
Ching! Yay! You got 1 wrong so far. This one.
7 right.
This one's going to be a bit tricky. I can either choose a big one or a small one. So I'm going to choose this one.
This one is the dog toast. And this one is the giant panda.
Cha-ching!
Because this one was circular and that one had a tiny rip so I could feel it. 9 right, 1 wrong. This is the dolphin.
Yeah.
And that is the monster.
Cha-ching! Cha-ching!
Next.
You don't want to squish this one.
It's the owl.
Yeah. Yay. The one left. This one's pretty nice.
It's the cake.
Yep. Yay.
So Libby only got 1 wrong. That makes Libby the winner. the winner, 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 winner. Ooh, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Try out. Needs to do a loser dance.
What do you think we should do with our new squishies? And subscribe, press the comment down below. And hope you enjoyed the video.
Uh-oh.